Hey there, it's Robert Edgen here, your favorite chartered financial consultant and multi-line insurance advisor for the state of Colorado. We're going to spend the next few minutes talking about the 7 biggest factors that make up your car insurance premiums. Now, obviously you want to have the proper protection and the right kind of coverage for your family, but everyone likes to pay as little as they can for their car insurance policies, which means you need to understand what goes into those rates. Well, there are 7 big factors. Let's run through them real quick so you can understand. The first is your motor vehicle report, and obviously that makes a lot of sense. The better driver you are, the less you'll pay for your car insurance. The fewer tickets and accidents that you have on your motor vehicle report, the better your insurance rates are going to be. But here's something to consider when it comes to tickets. As far as insurance companies go, all minor moving violations count the same. So a speeding ticket is the same as a defective headlamp. A lot of times clients will tell me they're going to go to court to get some points reduced in order to pay less for their car insurance, but unfortunately it just doesn't work that way. A ticket is a ticket is a ticket, and all minor moving violations will affect your insurance rates the same way. The second factor is the type of car that you drive, and I'm not talking about a sports car versus a station wagon. That's easy enough to understand, but there are other factors that go into your vehicle that affect your car insurance rates. For example, how much is it going to cost to repair your car? Foreign cars cost more to repair than domestically made cars, so a lot of times they're more expensive for car insurance. How does your car handle crashes? If you're injured in an accident, that could affect how much is paid out in a claim. So the better your car does in crash tests, the better your insurance rates are going to be. If you want to check the crash test rating for your specific car, you can do so at iihs.org. That's the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's website. How does your car impact others? How much damage does it cost to someone else? Because if you crash into someone and it's your fault, you have to pay those bills, so that makes an impact. And then finally, how often is your particular vehicle stolen, your type of car stolen? Higher theft rates will result in higher insurance premiums. Factor number 3 is the zip code you live in, and this is very simple. Some zip codes have higher incidence and higher theft rates than other zip codes. Those zip codes with the higher theft rates will pay more for car insurance premiums than the zip codes with the lower theft rates. If you're not sure about your zip code, check with your local agent and find out how your zip code stacks up and what other zip codes you might want to look at the next time it's time to move for insurance rating purposes. The fourth factor is your credit score, and I have a lot of clients who tell me they don't understand why a credit score is used, or that it doesn't seem right, or it doesn't make sense. But the truth is, credit scoring is used by pretty much every insurance company these days, and it's because it tells them a number of things. You see, insurance companies are all about statistics and averages and the law of large numbers, and statistically, someone with a higher score will file fewer claims than someone with a lower score. So if you have a higher score, you pay less for your insurance prices. It has nothing to do with the insurance company trying to figure out, are you going to pay your insurance bill? It has everything to do with your likelihood of filing claims. Factor number 5 is bundling or packaging. Now, I know you've heard it plenty of times, and it really is true. The more things that you package together with the company, the less your insurance is going to be. You get some great multi-policy discounts. Some are as big as 20 to 25%, and there's some very good reasons for that. It costs a lot of money for an insurance company to acquire a new client. Marketing and advertising, underwriting, reports that have to be ordered, commissions that have to be paid. There's a whole list of things that make up that cost. Well, the more policies that you bring to one individual company, the better cost savings they have, and then they pass those savings on to you in the form of extra discounts. So anytime you can package your policies together, you should package your policies together. And a lot of times there are other advantages besides just the discounts. There are special cashback programs or common cause deductible programs. So if you can bundle, make sure that you do. Factor number 6 is underwriting, and how each specific insurance company looks at you as an individual. You see, here's the deal. Insurance companies have gotten to be very sophisticated with what they consider to be their ideal client, and they build underwriting models around giving that ideal client the best possible insurance rates. But you don't know if you are one company's ideal client or another company's worst possible client, and that will make a big difference in your insurance rates. So how do you find out if you are your company's best client or ideal client? Well, that's where factor number 7 comes in, and that's working with a local professional agent who can guide you through the process. A local agent is going to be able to tell you, here's what our company is looking for, here's what we think of for our best client. Also, they're going to show you the discounts that you might not be aware of or other programs that you might qualify for to get you the best possible rate. So whenever you can, work with a local professional agent, and that will help get you the best possible rate for your car insurance premiums. So there you have it, the 7 biggest factors that affect your car insurance premiums. Obviously, those aren't all of the factors. There are always other things involved. But if you can work on those top 7, you'll definitely be working towards better car insurance rates. Until next time, I'm Robert Edge, and stay safe and have a great day.